So, let's talk about it Tuesday, and I have like a million things to talk about, but the first thing that I'm going to get to is this blouse. Okay, this is the blouse that I got finally. I ordered, I thought it was the beginning of January, but it turns out it was like literally the end of December, and I finally got this damn thing. And look at it. I mean, it doesn't lay properly. I'm gonna have to go in, I'm gonna have to re-sew this collar. The hem, oh my god, here, the hem is so badly sewn. I mean, it just, if I'd had a seamstress working for me who sewed this badly, I would have fired her, because this is ridiculous. The sleeves, this is not supposed to be a 3/4 sleeves shirt, and it's like not even a 3/4. It looks like it is just way too short, and this is the large, and it looks like crap. Don't buy from Wish, seriously. And then, oh my god, my hair today. I live in an area where it is very, very dry, and I just wanted to wear my hair down today. And so I went to kind of gently comb it out, and I literally had frizz out to here, and my hair crackled, just crackled. It's like so annoying. I just want to wear my hair however I want to wear it, and this weather is so dry, so dry. We just don't get rain here. I mean, it's bad enough that it's hot and nasty, but to add the dryness on top of it, some people say, oh, but it's a dry heat. You know what? I've been in Florida. Give me a little frickin' moisture, because, you know, it's better. And Dobby, get down. Oh, yeah, and that's what he's going to do. He's just going to knock down the camera. Dobbs, you are a menace. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to fix the camera again, and Dobby is literally... Come on, Dobby. Just come up in my lap. Here. If I can get him just to sit in my lap, because he doesn't like this blouse either. He says, Mom, it's ugly. So... So anyways, I'm annoyed today over all this. You know, it's just, I don't have a lot of money. So spending money on clothes that I was hoping that I'd be able to use, that then turned out so horrible, is not something I can keep doing. I mean, I've ordered from other companies and sometimes had bad stuff. You know, I've ordered from ModCloth and gotten, you know, sometimes where their sizing was not quite right. But at least you can send the stuff back. And it's really easy to do returns with them. You know, or with Anthro or any of the others. Or just go to freaking Target. I mean, sure, yeah, maybe some of their clothes are made in China too, but at least they have better quality control or something. It's just... It is horrible. And people who continue to buy this stuff are what fuels the horribleness. I mean, if you just stop buying, if we just all stopped buying from them and their knockoffs and their absolute rip-offs of licensed items, because I've seen a lot of licensed items on there and I know they're not paying anything for that. They're just stealing. And, you know, theft is always wrong. It's, nothing can, you know, make it right when you steal something. It just, yeah. Yeah. Dobby, I don't know what he's doing now. The other day he knocked over a whole bunch of little findings and stuff, like jump rings and things. They're all over the floor. I have to get him up. He was really bad, stole part of my dinner last night, which I was trying to video him and he kept getting in my plate, and so I actually have video of him stealing my frickin' dinner. So on Saturday you guys get to see Dobby at his naughtiest. But yeah, I think as consumers that it is part of our, how would you put it? I mean, it depends on us to govern because these companies out there are unscrupulous and they're not going to follow the laws, and they're just going to rip off left and right if we continue to buy this stuff. And that's the thing, you know, any company, I mean, I know that American Apparel's been called out. I know that Target has been called out before by using, you know, ripped off designs that they haven't licensed. So they stopped too. They pulled those items. This isn't going to happen with these companies in China. Only thing we can do is just stop buying from them. I mean, if we don't, they're going to continue to steal, and they're going to continue to have this shoddy, crappy stuff that just, it's horrible. This blouse is nothing like the blouse in the picture that I had ordered, that I believed I was ordering. I don't even think this is the same fabric. It has polka dots, but it's completely different fabric. The blouse that I was looking at was more like chiffon, and this is another of that really cheap, crappy, like lining fabric that is not going to breathe at all. And, you know, I didn't expect much, but it was not this. I mean, this is just beyond horrific. There's not even buttons on these cuffs. I mean, seriously, they just put a strip on, and in the picture, they were buttoned freaking cuffs. But no, they couldn't do that. And I know I'm ranting a lot about Wish and stuff, but they're part of the problem of what is wrong. It just really annoys me seeing, you know, design stolen, artwork stolen, and that is what they're doing. And Wish is allowing this to proliferate. So I'm going to be boycotting them, because I just, you know, I'm not going to feed into their system. So if any of you can, you know, do that, that would be awesome. Just don't buy their crap. Or if you do find a reputable seller on Wish, you know, let them know. But also, I'm going to be leaving reviews for this. And I'm going to tell you, it's not going to be one of their happy bought reviews, because I really don't think that most of the reviews on there are even from real people. So I'm going to probably get some pictures and post how shitty their stuff is. So that's been kind of my little rant for today, and I feel really bad about ranting. It's just, I don't know. I had really hoped for a little better. I mean, this, I'd say this stuff is worse than the first order that I ordered from Wish. Definitely worse. I don't even know if I can fix this. I'm just hoping that I can, because if not, it's completely unwearable. And then I'm not even going to be able to wear this once it gets, I mean, it's warm right now. We've got temps like in the 70s to low 80s. But once it hits full on spring and into the summer, this thing is not going to breathe. And it's going to be like put in a bin and stuck under my bed. And I'm going to not be able to wear it until winter, because it's just that nasty. And it smells funny too. It just, but oh well. I should be done with the rant and, you know, go on to maybe a little more happier things, because practice went really well last night at for the opera. We did our blocking, went over our lines for Act 2 and Act 3, and I had misplaced my script, so I wasn't really prepared, but I found my script. They also had an extra one that they lent me, so I think I'm going to do a lot better at rehearsal tonight. Yeah. Dobby. Oh my God. This cat. He's into everything. So yeah, you can see his little tail. And there's his head. Come on. Come over. Come on. You know you want to sit with me. Because this is the Dobby show, right? Yeah, that's what he wants. He just wants to be held. So yeah, guys. Use your money as a cause. I mean, and I know it's harder when you don't have a lot of money and you need to buy stuff that's expensive. But seriously, I don't have a lot of money. I mean, we live, you know, kind of paycheck to paycheck. I managed to save some money up because we're getting older and we need to think about, you know, traveling and doing stuff that we haven't been able to do. Ow, Dobby. But yeah, it's spend your money wisely. That's all I can say. Just spend it wisely. And you guys have a great Tuesday. Bye-bye.